turns around, he's running and then turns around. Was that an active stun gun?
I'm gonna play the video. Here we go. Guys, play the video. We'll walk through it. Hey!
When the government accuses you of a crime, it is very scary and intimidating. The government has all the power.
Here we go. Alright. So this is the video being played here. In a moment, you're about to see, this is where one of the officers has his stun gun out. I thought so. They're trying to put the handcuffs on him. Then, let's see here. Also trying to
He's on my right, see him?
Both trying to touch them with him. You're going to see in a second he grabbed the stun gun and one officer. Then one is, they're chasing away, and then...
Did you see what you saw? What you just saw?
Right. So what you saw there was, I believe that Rashard had a stun gun in his right hand, and then he pointed it back
at the officer.
Then the officer then dropped his stun gun and then pulled out his firearm and then fired shots into him.
Right. So have they determined what if that one was active?
No, we don't know that.
Okay.
Well, the issue,
I call balls and strikes, and obviously that's my former law student colleague and friend Chris Stewart's case, and I still do not think that deadly force was necessary, and I think that officers go to that more than they should, as Scott said. But of course, this is not the Tennessee v. Garner case. This is not where it's their first thing. We saw an escalation. They tussled first. They tried